Hey guys, it's Kondwani. How are you doing? If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I make lo-fi-ish, R&B-ish kind of beats. So this week we're going to talk about everything that I know about making a lo-fi chill hop kind of track from guitar. So the reason why I'm doing this video is because the other day I had a conversation with my wife and she said that I don't do any music like focused around my guitar. Yeah, that kind of struck me, and then one of the next days I was sitting with her while playing the guitar. Then I started playing this nice progression. We had a conversation which I recorded and then turned it into this that you're going to see. For context, I recorded the first half of this video yesterday, but my computer ran out of space. So I'll explain every single thing that I did, everything left that I need to do or that I want to do. Okay, so this is the conversation that I had with my wife.
A piece of music that someone would just be like this really touched me. Someone you've never met. That would be...
You can hear the Zambian accent in me, eh?
So I started recording, maybe this will be part of the song too.
Remember in the end.
Oh.
This is where it hits. I think this was the first one. Yeah, like what's playing now is the first one, and this one came after or something. I don't know. So I played this simple chord progression. We're playing the key of E. That's back with the drums. So the chord progression is like this. So I added amplitude 5. It's moderately heavy on the CPU. I used this preset called Chorus 59. Without it, you can hear the difference. So without everything, this is the way it sounds. It's dry signal. Added amplitude 5. Also added an EQ because it had a lot of low-end information. So the auto filter is for the beginning. In the beginning, I cut off a lot of low-end so that it sounds like it's a radio effect. So like this. I modulated the frequency. So the intro comes in like this. And around here. Then, okay, it'll make sense when I play the next part, which is the backing. So in the backing, I added Portal. I wanted a high texture. This is the normal lead. Then when you add Portal, come on. Yeah, so now these two together sound really great. I don't remember the preset I used, but I'll open it and show you. Drone shifter. So then these two together. Yeah, you hear that? So then I froze and I flattened that. So next I had some backing things that I used as I filtered out a lot of the low end so that it sounds like you know, the radio thing. Then I added crystalline, which is a reverb. So then this one, yeah, so this one's a transition, but let me just, yeah, so I duplicated it, but if you press R, let's see what this thing is without these effects. Let's see how it sounds. Yeah, so I played a lot of these accents, and then when you reverse these things and add a bit of reverb and stuff like that, they sound amazing as transitions. So that's this. Yeah, that's okay, but it's a little bit too heavy, like too heavy sounding. But when you add reverb, the space really brings in some ambient. So I played a lot of these accents which I haven't like figured out where to put yet. So this one was, and then the bridge. Hey guys, so if you're liking this video so far, well, please like and subscribe, share the video so that it gets more reach, and yeah, let's get back into it. That's all I have for the bridge. And then for the drums, it's a simple kick and snare pattern. But let me just play this part. So that's everything that I have so far, and I'm going to release the song, and I'll put the release date in the description below or somewhere, yeah. So first I think I need to flatten some of these things because they're chewing the hell out of my computer. Now I add some piano. This one needs a reverb. Okay, this video is all over the place. Okay, I think I have an idea. Okay guys, so I think these are the main elements that I'm going to add to the track. If there's anything else, you'll see in the demo at the end of the video. Yeah, I hope you have a great week.